Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are going back again with the C20 Pro, and we will check one of its main features, the Bluetooth phone call, as well as the message notifications. Okay, we are going to check whether the smart notification works with WhatsApp application, Viber, Telegram, as well as Messenger. So we are going to check that and see whether it works with this smartwatch C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the demo for Bluetooth call as well as push notifications, smart notifications, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start and have a demo. Let's check the Bluetooth call for the C20 Pro smartwatch. Okay, let's go back here on the settings. Seems we still have 20% battery life. Okay, let's see if we do have some settings that we have to activate. Okay, as you can see, phone on, Bluetooth audio works, and let's check phone call. Please try pairing. Okay, so let's see here. I think we already paired, as you can see here. Anyways, let's see others. Time format, seems like everything is okay here. Control phone music, do not disturb. Stress monitoring, seems like everything is okay. Let's see here on the Bluetooth connectivity. Check. We have the C20 Pro. Okay, so as you can see here, everything is okay. So let's see pairing. What does it mean? Okay, I'm still trying to figure out why it's not working. Settings, this one, vibration, vibrate. Okay, so let's try to figure out why the system is not working. System about. Okay, in the support app, let's see. Let's try to add. Okay, maybe that is the phone book. Add. Okay, this one, save, done. So it's now uploading and done. Let's see. Phone call, and it's okay here. Contacts, okay, so everything is okay. Seems like everything is okay now. So let's start. Let's receive a notification on our smartwatch. So we have here our other phone. Okay, so let's start with the messenger. Okay, so let's say hello. Hello C20 Pro. Again, this is our first time to try whether the smart notification works with the C20 Pro. That's why there's some debugging that we demonstrated. Okay, let's see. So we receive a notification here. Okay, for the messenger, let's see. Okay, are we connected? So we are all connected to the internet, but seems like we did not receive any notification from the messenger, as you can see here. Again, hello. Okay, message sent. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, we receive a message here. Again, there's some delays. I don't know, maybe due to the internet connectivity. Hello. Again, let's have another one. Okay, hello. and message is sent. Did we receive any messages? No. Maybe there's no support for Facebook. Again. Okay, we have it here. Just a delay. So again, we have the message here with the logo of Facebook. Hello C20 Pro. And we have it now. Okay, just a minor hiccup. Then let's have a call notification. So I'm going to call the number and let's see if we can receive a call notification. It's now calling. As you can see here, calling from Messenger. Okay, so it works for the call notifications for the Messenger or Facebook. Then next, the WhatsApp application. Okay, let's try. Hello C20 Pro. Message sent, and we have it here. Oops. Okay, we have it here. Hello C20 Pro. Again, message sent, and we have the message here. Okay, so far it works. And let's have again a call. Let's see if we'll receive a call notification. It's now ringing. When we end this, let's see if we can receive a missed call notification. And we have it here. Okay, nice. Next, we only have two left, Telegram and Viber. Let's try with the Telegram. Hello C20 Pro. Message sent. Okay, we have it here. Hello C20 Pro. Okay, and with the generic icon here. Okay, for the WhatsApp we have its own icon as well as the Facebook. Okay, as you can see here, we lost the message for Facebook here. So I guess it can only store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 messages at a time. Then next, let's call. It's ringing and we have ongoing Telegram call. And okay, so we have a missed call. Hello. Let's try another one. And we have the message. Okay, let's remove. Okay, so it works for Telegram also. And how about the Viber application? So let's check. Seems like the Viber, it is a bit slow nowadays. Okay. Hello C20 Pro. Message sent. Oops. And we have it here. Hello C20 Pro. Okay, we don't have its own logo as you can see here. Again, C20. And we have the message here. Okay, so it's in real time, just a few seconds. Okay, just milliseconds I think. And you can already receive the message. So we have an incoming Viber call. And okay, so it works with the application. At least 1, 2, 3, 4 applications that we tried works. How about SMS? SMS. Hello C20 Pro. Message sent. So there's a delay. Okay, and we have it here. So we have the logo for SMS, as you can see here. Okay, let's focus. Okay, so it works with the SMS messages. Okay, next, let's try the Bluetooth call feature. So we have here the Bluetooth call. You can see the recent call, the dial pad, as well as the contacts. So we are going to try this feature. Okay, so let's start. Let's call the number. Okay, and let's see if we can receive it here on the smartwatch. Okay, I'm going to go back to the main. Okay, so as you can see here, you have an option to adjust the volume here, I think, or to mute. You can answer or you can deny the call. End call. Okay, so it works. Next, how about this one? Phone call, the dial pad. Let's see. So what is the number? 0969 and again 0969615839 then call. Okay, so as you can see here, it works, and as you can see, we receive a call here, calling from the smartwatch. And okay, next, recent call. Can we see it here? Yes, we can see it here. Okay, so we have a record of calls, contacts. Do we have it here? Let's try. And it's now calling the number, as you can see here. Okay, so let's try to answer. Answer the call here, as you can see. Hello? The Bluetooth call works. And okay, how about the other way around? Let's see. Can we answer it here on the smartwatch? How do we answer it? Just tap. Hello, this is call, okay, to the C20 Pro smartwatch and call. Okay, that's it. We're good. So it works, and that seems like it has a good speaker also and microphone. Okay, so everything works for the push notifications as well as the Bluetooth call, except that some of the applications we don't have its own icon, our personalized icon for Viber, Telegram. Okay, we only have for WhatsApp as well as the Messenger or the Facebook. Okay, so that's it for the Bluetooth call of the C20 Pro smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Goodbye.